Hi there, it's Brian from Managed Comics, and I'm going to show you our new and improved way of doing your pulls. So we've got a couple new ways of doing this. There's always your standard shipping this week file, so you can still use the file that we've had forever, or you can use our new upload your invoice feature, which means you can go ahead and download. This is a diamond invoice. And I also have a lunar invoice, and I'm using the Comic Hub format for the invoice. So when you go to Lunar and you export your invoice, you're going to export the Comic Hub invoice CSV file. And with Diamond, you're just going to export a CSV file. And I'm going to upload those, and then it pre-selects everything that is in the invoice that has at least one or more subscriptions. So I'm going to go ahead and pull those. And then I will also pull any special orders. In this case, I don't have any special orders to pull. So I go ahead and skip that. Here's my confirmation screen. Again, I can add a little message like, we're open all week 12 to 5 p.m. Let's just say, I don't know, something fun. I'm going to confirm that, and then my emails go out and everything, and in a few seconds I can click that view most recent pulls, and I get a file that has my most recent pulls. I'm kind of doing this late at night, and I'm on the bridge between today and tomorrow, so I just had to change the date there. But as you can see, everything works as normal. I can sort by title. I can change my different locations if I have a multi-location store, or I can change by custom ID and all those good things. So that's a new feature that we've added, which allows you to get not only the traditional way that we've always done it, which will always keep kind of going, but also a new way where you can use your invoices, which means your pulls will be a little bit more accurate. You do have to pay attention, though, when you do your pulls, to making sure that you're not pulling things that have been reordered, or things that you don't have a full order on, and things like that. So just one thing to kind of note when you're doing your pulls, and that is the new pulls process for Managed Comics.